Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can insert a table into your notes on Evernote. So let us dive into this. Alright, so in the first step head over to your notes on Evernote, and in the next step what you want to do is start a new line to enter the command. Let me do that really quickly. / and then select table. Alternatively you may use the insert feature at the top left, select table from there. Now as you can see, these default tables will contain 2 by 2 columns and rows. So if you'd like to add more of them, you will need to hover your mouse over one of the edges of these rows and columns till you see that plus button, click into it to add a new column, and do the same for another row. And there you go. Now you can fill your cells with content. You may resize these by moving these sliders. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.